Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we're at Moore Haven KOA Campground. This is our site here. This is what they call a premium pull-through site. It's paved. It's full hookup. Morning. That's US 27 over there. This is a very nice campground if you're traveling north and south from US 27 and need a 1 or 2 day stop. Very nice. These sites here are regular backing sites, and they come with furniture, fire pit, and full hookup as well. Regular standard sites. These sites here are right by the pool, and they also get the view of this pond. Playground and a doggy area. That's pretty much all wilderness back there. I heard a lot of wild turkeys in the morning and sandhill cranes. I think there was a couple of hogs as well. All these sites here are all pulled through, and they're all towards the end of the campground. Alright guys, so this is the main entrance right here. This is where you come in. You'll be greeted by a gentleman here that he will escort you to your site. That's where you check in the office, and that's where the store is as well. Very nice. This is the pool area. Overall, it's very nice. It's heated. That's a clubhouse right there. The laundromat is over there, and there's a store on the other side. This is the laundromat here. Very clean. Let me change. Now let's go up in the air and give you a better perspective. So what this place looks like. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like my content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.